Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download investor docs storage using Dropbox for property files, complete guide step by step clearly. To download investor docs storage using Dropbox for property files, begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type www.dropbox.com and press enter. Once the Dropbox homepage loads, locate the Sign In button at the top right corner of the page. Click on the Sign In button to enter your credentials. Input your email address and password associated with your Dropbox account. After logging in, you will see your Dropbox dashboard. Navigate to the folder that contains the investor documents. If these documents were shared with you, check your shared folders. Click on the folder to open it and review the available files. To download a single file, hover over the file name. Click on the three dots that appear next to the file name for more options. Select the download option from the drop-down menu. If you want to download multiple files, check the box next to each file you wish to download. Once selected, locate the download button that appears at the top of the page. Click the download button to begin downloading the selected files. Your browser may prompt you to choose a download location on your device. Select your preferred location and click Save. Wait for the download to complete. Once finished, navigate to the location where you saved the files. Verify that all required documents have been downloaded successfully. If any documents did not download, repeat the steps as necessary. You are now ready to use your downloaded investor documents for further review or sharing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.